Construction business owners, are you juggling too many jobs and struggling to hire the staff you can trust? Are you watching your business stall when you're not there? You wish you could have a reliable team around you that could help your business to run smoothly so you could take some time off? Well, guess what? I've been there myself. Imagine for a moment you had no more debt holding you back. You could finally get off the tools for good. You could provide for your family with holidays abroad, private schools for your kids, and a car that you're proud to drive. Having money in the bank, a growing business, and the confidence to achieve anything. At the 7-Figure Business Builder event, I'll show you exactly how to make that vision a reality with simple systems for marketing, sales, and operations. Grow your finances and learn so much more. These strategies have helped thousands of trade business owners completely transform their lives.
We had our best month ever, 147k. We've actually done our record month this month, 100,661.
On track for our best month. If we hit all the targets by the end of the month, we should be turning over 80 grand this month.
I'm Joseph Valente, a #1 best-selling author, founder of 2 8-figure trade businesses, winner of the BBC Apprentice and a Forbes 30 Under 30 entrepreneur. I'm now bringing that knowledge straight to you at this event so you can scale your business and finally achieve the freedom you've been working so hard for. This isn't just a discovery day, it's practical steps to take your trade business to the next level. But don't just take my word for it, our clients have seen life-changing results.
Set a target for the year for $1 million, and within the first 12 weeks I'd smashed the $1 million. I went on to do $2 million.
I was doing around 60 grandish, something like that. I've only been here 2 months and I've doubled that already. 2 weeks worth of work with 75 grand's worth in just 14 days. The advice that I've listened to of Joe and Paul to be able to do it exactly how they told me to do it, and it's worked.
And with our excellent Trustpilot reviews and satisfaction guarantee, there's 0 risk. Take the first small step today. Complete your details on this page to claim your free ticket, and one of my business coaches will call you back to secure the best event date for you. If you're serious about building a thriving business in 2025 and you want to make it your best, most successful year yet, this event is definitely the right choice for you. Complete your details on this page and claim your free ticket right now, and let's get started on your journey to the best version of yourself.